What's up guys, welcome to Apeh Menu YouTube channel. Help subscribe to this channel to get the latest videos on how much your favorite YouTubers earn from their YouTube. Do click on that little bell icon to be notified of the latest video. Here is the main character for this video. So, how do YouTubers get paid? Based on the research I made with my cat, we found that one of the most passive ways to make an income through YouTube channel is to earn money through ad views. There are two types of ads: 1. CPM, cost per 1,000 views, and 2. CPC, cost per click. If the ads is CPM, that means the viewer of your YouTube video must watch the ad for longer than 30 seconds. If it's a CPC ads, then you get paid based on how many viewers click on the ads surrounding your video. Now, let's take a look at Hamzy's YouTube channel. According to 괘ᴏᴱᴱ, Hamzy have uploaded 275 video. She currently have 5.81 million subscribers. After reaching 1 million subscribers, she has been awarded with the golden play button by YouTube. Total view is 1,563,583,164. That is insane. She's from Korea, and her channel type is entertainment. Her channel was created on September 25, 2012. The grade is A and her 괘ᴏᴱᴱ ranking is 963rd. Subscriber ranking is 2095th. Video view rank is 3024th. She ranked 39th in Korea. And entertainment rank is 665th. Average on daily subs for Hamzy is around 9k. And daily view around 3,206,252. Now let's talk about how much money is she making on YouTube. And this is going to be an estimate. So daily views is 3,200,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning for Hamzy will be $12,800. Monthly income is $384,000. And yearly income will get $4,608,000. But wait, don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue of 45%. Now, $4,608,000 multiply with 0.55 will get $2,534,400. And that is how much Hamzy earned from YouTube. I think anyone can succeed on YouTube, if they work really hard. That's what my cat said. And I agree. Period.